So anyway, I'm hunkering down at home for St. Patrick's Day. Hiya, Huns. So, your favorite cousin is at home because I happen to have a glass of wine with a wine salesman from Italy. And now we're both in quarantine, even though I never saw him again. I guess it's for the best because you're not supposed to be out anyway. So far, I feel fine and I have plenty of wine, so I'm looking at the bright side. It's St. Patrick's Day and I'm determined to make it a good day. I'm creating festive appetizers with items I had on hand. I happened to get the last packet of American cheese at the Walgreens, so I'm cutting it into festive shapes with a shamrock cookie cutter I had for some reason. I'm also doing it with my cinnamon raisin bread. And I had a chocolate gold coin that a friend gave me at Hanukkah, so my St. Patrick's Day glass is half full. In case you were wondering, my daddy is fine too. He got into a fight with someone at the shop right over the last packet of Charmin, but Daddy got the packet and no one got arrested, so it's okay. Fortunately, I didn't see him after my date with the wine salesman, so he's not in quarantine. Anyway, I know some of you have questions for me, and I have lots of answers, so here goes. Emmy F. asks, Glendora, you seem like the kind of gal who would take every precaution during the corona pandemic. What are you doing to keep yourself germ-free? That's a good question. As you know, I'm staying at home and not letting anyone in. When I get something delivered, I pick it up wearing disposable gloves, then I wipe it down with rubbing alcohol, throw away the gloves, then wash my hands vigorously. Other than that, all I'm doing is sitting here and watching my Real Housewives. Suze asks if I have enough toilet tissue, and David wants to know if we'll be able to buy it again soon. Suze, hon, thanks for your concern. I have plenty. David, we should be able to buy it again soon, but it also pays to be friends with someone in the paper products industry. My first hubby, Frankie's brother, Vinny, has an entire warehouse full of this stuff. No, he's not selling it at inflated prices, but he's given it away free to all of his friends and their families. It really pays to know people in a variety of industries. Linda has a few questions. Can you freeze milk? I've never frozen milk myself, but I'm told that it's safe to do so. I'm also told that it looks and tastes a little weird after, but if you want to freeze your milk, you go for it. When are you going to sing for us? Do Shakespeare readings. I'm choosing songs for my first album as we speak. I'm hoping it will be released soon and start climbing the charts. I think I have a real future in the music industry. What's the difference between Prosecco and Champagne? The main difference between Prosecco and Champagne is that Prosecco comes from Italy and Champagne comes from France, and they're made with different grapes. I happen to love them both. So anyway, that's it. You stay home and be healthy and safe. They'll be back on Thursday with another Liquored Up live broadcast, but don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.